Reading the owner's manual before operating the square scrub machine is highly recommended. The owner's manual includes very useful information about the operation and maintenance of 18, 20, and 28-inch EBG series machines. The machine trigger is located just under the handlebars. Squeeze either side of the trigger to operate the machine. Two optional features are the hour meter and the manual power switch. The 50-foot power cord is 14 gauge, water resistant, with a lighted plug. Extension cords must be at least 10 gauge and no longer than 25 feet. Do not operate equipment if the power cord is cut, frayed, or the ground is missing. The cord wrap allows for convenient storing and easily releases the cord by turning the hook upward. The tension handle allows the user to adjust the handle angle for operator comfort. The Pivot Deluxe model includes a removable handle. Simply unplug the motor cord and remove the knobs to detach the handle. The pivot includes removable weights on each side of the base. To add or remove weights, simply loosen the knobs and remove the weights. Dust skirts are standard on all 18, 20, and 28-inch machines. To install the dust skirt, first, clean the base thoroughly with alcohol to ensure that the adhesive sticks properly. Next, apply the Velcro around the edge of the machine base. Align the corners of the machine base with the corners of the dust skirt. Finally, overlap the ends of the skirt at the back of the machine base. Replace the driver pad that the machine was shipped on. Over time, the machine will flatten the pad, causing it to be less effective at protecting the grip face. The pads below do not require a driver pad and attach directly to the bottom of the machine. To rotate or replace the driver pad, tilt the machine back onto the handle. Peel off the driver pad and flip, rotate, or replace the driver pad as needed. Ensure the pad is centered on the grip face. To properly attach a working pad, use a wall as a guide and tilt the machine onto the pad. Below is an overused driver pad. Check the driver pad every 15 minutes to avoid damaging the grip face. The tile and grout pad is best used on grouted tile floors, but can be used effectively on terrazzo, non-slip, rubber, concrete, and other uneven floor types. Always use wet. The SQP pad is a thin pad designed to remove layers of acrylic finish in preparation for recoating. Use dry on VCT and tile. The SHO pad is an extremely abrasive and heavy chemical stripping pad. It's best used when dirt and buildup are severe. Use with a white or blue driver pad. Use wet on VCT and tile. Combined with the square scrub encapsulating carpet cleaner, the microfiber carpet pad cleans even the highest traffic carpeting and lasts up to 50 wash cycles. Use wet on any carpeted surface. Use the extreme sponge to remove scuff marks on any floor surface. Add a little water and this melamine pad deep cleans and restores shine between refinishing jobs. Use wet on any surface. Sand screens are ideal for finish removal or repair of wood and painted floor surfaces. Sand screens are two-sided. Use with a white or blue driver pad. Use wet or dry on wood or painted concrete. Standard sandpaper is available in grits ranging from 20 to 100. Use with a white driver for smoothing wood surfaces. Use dry on wood flooring or decks. Pro sandpaper is double-sided with grits ranging from 16 to 100. Both sides of this paper can be used along with the white driver pad. Use dry on wood flooring or decks. This carbide tungsten steel abrader tool is designed for heavy-duty use, including linoleum removal, glue, or paint on concrete. Always use wet with a blue driver pad. The 3M Scotch-Brite Purple Diamond Floor Pad Plus is a diamond-coated floor pad used for cleaning and polishing stone floors. The 3M Trizac TZ Diamond Abrasive Strips create a smooth, highly refined surface. Use wet with a white driver pad on stone surfaces. The red driver pad is primarily used as a spacer pad between the machine and other pads. This lighter pad can also be used for both heavy cleaning and buffing. The blue driver is best used as a spacer pad between the machine and other pads. It can also be used for heavier cleaning and buffing. The white driver is a 1/4 inch pad primarily used as a spacer pad. This pad can be used with sandpaper and diamonds, but do not use with the abrader plate. The Square Scrub Enhancer pad is a light restorative pad. Use wet on VCT or tile. The 1-inch white pad is used as a light-duty polish pad and is great for spreading chemicals while buffing. No driver pad is required with the white pad.